Every clip you're watching right now started as a simple still image. No camera crews, no expensive gear, just pure AI magic. In this video, I'm taking you inside mind-blowing AI tools that can transform any picture into a moving, cinematic masterpiece in seconds. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create these videos yourself. And the best part? It's fast, beginner-friendly, and completely free. I'll also walk you through how to make the most of your credit limit for the tools that have one, and how to navigate the ones that are totally free. All right, let's talk about Vidful AI, one of my favorite image-to-video generators. First, I went to Google, typed in Vidful AI, clicked the official site, and selected Generate Videos for free. For signing in, trust me, the quickest way is with your Google account. Now here's a pro tip. Vidful gives you 8 credits per account. So if you need more, you can always use multiple accounts for extra credits. Next, upload your image. I made mine with Lumen AI because it's fast, super friendly, and perfect for high-quality images. After that, paste in your text prompt. You can even add details like 4K resolution, cinematic lighting, or any other creative touch you want. Then set your video duration and resolution and hit generate. Vidful usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes to work its magic. But trust me, the wait is totally worth it. Boom, your video is ready. But wait, let's add some extra magic. Go to the left toolbar and click on Effects. You'll see a ton of options. You've seen videos like this before, but never knew how they were made. Click on the hugging effect. Upload a photo of 2 people standing side by side. I used 2 Black American ladies in a cafe. And make sure all your settings are correct. Then hit generate, and there you have it, the final result. Cool, right? Play around with different effects and see what amazing videos you can create. And if you thought Vidful was cool, wait till you see this next one. Meet VHere AI, a powerful and totally free image-to-video generator. Once you're on the site, first sign in with your Google account. Once that's done, look at the top of the page. You'll see several actions. Click on Image to Video, then also click on Generate Video from Image. Now upload your image. I used one I generated in Lumen AI. Next, input your text prompt and your camera prompt. Make sure your video format is set to MP4, video length to 5 seconds, frame rate to your preference, and your desired dimensions. Hit generate, and the final result is awesome, and like I said, it's unlimited and free. All right, now let's talk about a seriously powerful AI video site, AI. Yes, it's that one written entirely in Chinese. Note, signing into AI is actually faster if you keep it in Chinese first. So click on Sign In. You'll notice some countries aren't listed. No worries, just pick any country of your choice. Here's a quick trick. Open a site called Temporary Phone Numbers. Once it loads, select the country you want. I'll go with Canada, then click Generate Phone Number. Now copy that number, head back to AI, paste it in quickly, and click Verification Code. Then jump back to the temporary number site, copy the code you receive, and paste it back into AI. Boom, you're in. You can switch it to the English version if you prefer. Now paste your prompt and click Generate. AI usually takes about 3 minutes, but the results are worth it. Here's one I made, a calm city glowing in neon lights. If you're enjoying this tutorial, hit that subscribe button and tell me in the comments what you think. I also tried a fun one, gorilla operating a camera, and here's the result. And another, here's how that turned out. Pretty amazing, right? Now we're moving from AI to ChatGLM. First, head over to Google and type ChatGLM. The site is in Chinese, but don't worry. Just click anywhere on the homepage and translate it to English. Next, sign in. There are many countries to choose from, but let's go with USA. Just like we did for AI, go to a temporary number site and copy a USA number. Paste it into ChatGLM and click Get Verification Code. Then jump back to the temporary number site, refresh the page, get the code and paste it into ChatGLM. Once you're in on the home page, go to the left side and click on Ying AI Video Generation. Paste in your prompt. The basic parameters are already well set. After a short wait, depending on the complexity of your scene, your final video will appear. And that's it. You're ready to generate stunning AI videos using ChatGLM. Now here's another amazing trick in ChatGLM. At the top, click on AI Special Effects. Then select the hugging effects. That's right, the hugging effects. Next, upload a picture of two people standing side by side. Make sure they're both visible. Your aspect ratio, 16:9. Once that's done, hit generate and wait just a few moments. And here's the final result. Just look at it. Incredible, isn't it? Yes, with just a few clicks, you've transformed a simple photo into a stunning AI effect. You're ready to generate stunning AI videos using ChatGLM. Now, the final AI tool is QWENAI. It's extremely easy to use and perfect for beginners. Whether you want to generate videos, images, or experiment with AI effects, QWENAI makes it simple and accessible. Just a few clicks, and you're ready to create your own amazing content. But first, sign up using your Google account. Once you're on your homepage, click on Video Generation. Next, paste in your prompt and choose your aspect ratio, 16:9. Then click Generate. The generation usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes, but trust me, the wait is worth it. Note, the videos are usually 5 seconds long. There's plenty of variety. I've also generated other videos using QWENAI, and the best part? It's completely free. From a single photo to cinematic magic in minutes, all without spending a dime. Now it's your turn. Dive in, experiment, and wow your audience. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss the next AI trick. Until next time, keep creating, keep exploring, and let the magic roll.